Why should you consider HeartMath to lower stress and anxiety? Why anxiety on the rise? HeartMath understands that the burden of stress and anxiety has only increased over the years. Statistics Canada states that 23% of individuals above the age of 15 have to deal with severe or extreme stress. The percentage rises to 30% for people between 35 to 54 years of age. With such numbers increasing every year, it's safe to say that yes, anxiety is a big deal. Our society is the main issue. With the increase in social media, people tend to isolate themselves more than ever, and many people are looking for gratification through that medium. Life expense has increased while most people have a hard time to meet both ends. Then comes the expectation to be more productive at work and in our personal life. There is so much distraction around us that people have a hard time to focus. What happened to relationships? Many couples would prefer to move on and separate instead of trying to figure out a solution to the problem. It is easier, but behind the scene, a lot of people become anxious. Nobody talks about it. It is taboo to talk about anxiety or even depression. However, it affects so many of us. So, what exactly is anxiety? Anxiety is a mental condition that makes use of a range of emotions. Each mental response has its roots in a certain kind of fear. This could be unease, stress, concern, dread, or hopelessness. These situations can be real or imaginary. The signs and symptoms of anxiety include blank mind, loss of cognitive functions, obsessive thinking, phobias, constant worrying, chronic unease, sweating, tension headaches, tremors, shortness of breath, dizziness, panic attacks, elevated heart rate, palpitations. What are the benefits of reducing stress? Anxiety is a medical condition that should be treated for your health. But getting rid of everyday stress can also be very helpful. Stress hormones get reduced, you get energy boosts, and you feel healthier. You have better, more fulfilling relationships. Your quality of life and sense of empowerment boosts up. Reduce the feeling of unease, time pressure, impatience, and stimulation overload. Reduce thoughts of bad case scenarios and negative thinking. You get better memory and cognitive functions. Where does HeartMath come in? People are finally realizing that their constant stress and anxiety involves the heart. A study shows that keeping an eye on your heart rate can give insight for people with anxiety disorders. These include PTSD, GAD, and panic disorders. So, more individuals are starting to rely on these tools and heart connections. This need is a popular movement since people want to make use of their own intuition and conscience. This allows people to listen to their hearts for better guidance. Furthermore, the team at the organization is dedicated to helping people, groups, and the world community. You can add the heart's intelligence to your daily schedule. Soon we'll get innovative solutions for a better, healthier life. How can it help with stress and anxiety? The Heart Control community involves the nonprofit HeartMath Institute as well as the HeartMath Incorporated. This adds 8,000 professional trainers, coaches, and health workers to the team. In addition, the team helps people of every age, gender, and race across the globe in their houses, communities, and workplaces. Also, the team puts out professional research and results to ensure the best solutions to treat anxiety. All the tools and teams offered can deal with multiple kinds of anxiety so that you get the help you need. Research done by the Institute has proven that heart control can greatly impact physical and mental health. As a result, you can train to get rid of anxious feelings. This is done by forming new emotional routines and methods to replace the negative ones. When the mind feels less drained, the heart works in full gear to keep your health up. HeartMath's research and studies show that heart intelligence can help with this control. By adding coherence to the heart, brain, and body, you can have a balanced and calm state throughout the day. What are HeartMath's solutions? Anxiety disorders can be just like some other physiological conditions. In fact, one of the most common conditions that mimic anxiety is heart arrhythmia. It provides tools and techniques to get good heart coherence to help with the anxiety. However, before the use of tools, you can make use of some tips and tricks to get your heart in control. Keep an eye on your feelings. Try and name your feelings. Tell yourself to calm down. While you calmly focus on your heart, take slow and deep breaths, and get the stress out.